Today, I'm going to show you one of the best walking routes to Bukchon Hanok Village. We'll start from Anguk Station Exit 1 and walk all the way to Bukchon 11 Gil, where you can see one of the most famous views in Bukchon. By the way, 11 Gil. Gil means street or road. The total distance is about 1 kilometer, and it usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes without stopping. But along the way, there are many interesting places, so you might want to take your time and explore. Let's begin here at Anguk Station, Exit 1. As soon as you come out, walk straight ahead. This area sits right next to some of Korea's most historic neighborhoods, and as we moved forward, the atmosphere slowly begins to change. This is Songyeon Green Plaza. What's interesting is that this area used to be closed to the public for a very long time. During the Japanese colonial period, this land was used by Japanese institutions. After Korea's liberation, it was later owned by the US military, and for decades, it remained restricted and inaccessible. Because of that, people in Seoul couldn't enter this space for many years, but recently, it was finally opened and transformed into a public park. Today, it's quite rare to see such a large open space in the middle of Seoul, and it shows how the city continues to change over time. Over there is the Seoul Museum of Craft Art. If you're interested in traditional Korean craft, this is a great place to stop by. As we continue, we'll enter smaller streets like Gamgodang-gil and Yunboson-gil. These quiet alleys give you a glimpse of old Seoul. You might also recognize this area from the Korean drama Goblin. This is Cheongdok Library. This area was one part of the royal site during the Joseon Dynasty, and today it's a peaceful public library. It's a great place to take a short break. Inside, there's a Seoul Education Museum. You can see old classrooms, textbooks, and school uniforms, and learn how education in Korea has changed over time. It's a small but interesting place to visit. Now we are heading into Bukchon 5 Gil. This is one of the most popular streets in the Bukchon area. On weekends, it gets quite crowded, and you will see many couples walking around, as this area is known as popular dating spot in Seoul. There are also many well-known bakeries, cafés, and restaurants here, so it's very common to see people lining up outside. It's a place where traditional Seoul meets modern lifestyle, and you can really feel the local mood as you walk through. As we continue walking, you will come across a various of places to explore and enjoy. This is a great spot to try Korean street food like tteokbokki, fish cake, and hot dog, and so on. It's simple, quick, and very popular among locals. Another highlight is 백인제 House. This is a well-preserved traditional Korean house that once belonged to a wealthy family. It's a great place to see how upper-class families lived in the past. You will also find the Bukchon Museum. It's a small museum, but it gives you a glimpse into a history and everyday life of this neighborhood. If you're looking for something more comforting to eat, you can try 백년 삼계탕. 삼계탕 is a traditional Korean chicken soup. It's a ginseng chicken soup, often enjoyed for its healthy benefits. Here you can see 설화수, one of the Korean most well-known luxury skincare brands. 설화수 is famous for combining traditional Korean herbal ingredients with modern skincare technology. Nearby, you can find Osolok, a popular Korean tea brand. Osolok is best known for its green tea, which is mainly grown on Jeju Island. The space is usually designed as a modern tea house, where you can have a relax and enjoy a various of tea-based drink and desserts. As you continue walking, you will notify many hanbok rental shops along the street. Visitors can rent traditional Korean clothes and walk around Bukchon to take photos. There are also plenty of souvenir shops and cosmetic stores nearby, so it's a great place to pick up small gifts or experience Korean beauty products. This area is not only about history but also about enjoying Korean culture in a more interactive way. You will often see visitors walking around in hanbok, taking photos. You'll also come across Granghan, a popular Korean lifestyle brand. Granghan is known for its fragrance, hand creams, and personal care products. What makes this place special is its calm and minimal atmosphere, which feels very different from typical busy shops. Many locals visit here to find a signature scent or simply enjoy the space. You'll also find Grain Cookie, a charm handmade cookie shop. Here you can actually try cookie samples, so it's a fun place to taste different flavors. You will also come across Kachi Seoul, a lifestyle shop that reflects modern Korean design. And the brand focuses on sharing everyday Korean culture through simple and thoughtful products. Here, You can find a various of items like stationery, accessories, and small lifestyle goods, many of which are inspired by Seoul's identity. It's a great place to find unique and meaningful souvenirs. Nearby, let's go up a little more. You can also visit the Bukchon Oriental Culture Museum. This small museum focuses on traditional Korean and East Asian culture. Inside, you can see various artifacts and exhibits that help you understand traditional lifestyle and values. It's a quiet and less crowded place.
음료까지 한 잔 포함해서 6,000원이시고요. 밖에 이렇게 사진처럼 되어 있어요.
So it's a good stop if you want to explore culture at a slower pace. From here, you can make your way towards Samcheong-dong. Bukchon is much bigger than it looks, and today we've only explored a small part of it. There are still many hidden spots, cafés, and Hanok stage waiting to be discovered. So, hopefully, one day you can come here and experience it in your own way. If you enjoyed this walk, please consider liking and subscribing. This was Guide Insight. Thank you for watching.